My name is Eric Davis and I teach at Bellevue College in Washington State, right across from Seattle. The Top Hat platform has been fantastic for me as a faculty member, but more importantly, I would say it's been especially helpful for the students. I got an email message from the Associate Vice President for Instruction who said that we are effectively going to move on to online only and no class meetings allowed. Immediately, I had to respond to a flood of student issues. What was interesting is that my two Top Hat courses, the students were very calm as far as their learning. They were confident that they were going to be able to finish the quarter successfully, and they knew exactly what they needed to do. Unfortunately, my other classes and my other students who I don't have on Top Hat are panicked a little bit. They're wondering how we're going to finish the term, how are we going to do our poster projects, how are we going to turn in our final exams. Having the ability to just turn quickly, respond quickly, to let them know it's going to be okay in the midst of what is a very stressful time for them. I've become even more grateful for having the access to Top Hat. I'm using Top Hat textbook. I'm also using the discussion features. I'm using the quizzing functionality, and at this point, I may be including a lot more links and access points for the students through Top Hat, and my students are very much used to Top Hat. They are very comfortable with the format. It's easy for them. They know when due dates are coming up. They are alerted on their phones. They have one spot to go to manage everything they need. So they're going to be doing the rest of their chapters in the textbook. They're going to be using Top Hat to discuss things with me. They're also going to be able to prepare for the final exams because I will release all of their quiz answers. They will be able to review all the chapters, of course, and then also all of the slides will be made available to them in review mode. So in preparation for their online final, they'll be ready to go.